The Monetary Council of the Eastern Caribbean Central Bank, ECCB, has approved the amendments to the Banking Act. The 108th meeting of the Council saw the ceremonial transfer of chairmanship from Council Member for St. Vincent and the Grenadines, Honorable Camilo Gonzalez, to Council Member for Anguilla, Honorable Dr. Ellis Lorenzo Webster. The incoming chairman, Dr. Webster, and Governor Timothy Antoine hosted a post-meeting press conference to present the communique and to address any concerns from the media.
The second part is extremely important, and that is provisions for market conduct. Essentially, to bring into force, to give the central bank the powers to do financial protection, to regulate the conduct of financial institutions in respect of how they deal with customers, whether it is with respect to bank fees and charges, whether it is with respect to certain disclosures, certain service requirements. For example, the Code of Conduct right now, which we issued many years ago, does not have the force of law. The amendments approved by the Monetary Council today will make any Code of Conduct issued by our central bank give it the force of law.
In May, the ECCB expressed concerns regarding Republic Bank EC Limited in relation to debits on accounts associated with delayed charges.
Most persons are working with Republic on that. In fact, I had a discussion with the bank manager, Mr. Ralph Henry, just up to last night, and we discussed what's going on. In terms of, and there's an investigation being done by the ECCB in terms of what happened and what recommendations can be made. But in terms of something different happening after this, these amendments go into place, it's premature to make any statements regarding that.
An independent audit was commissioned under the Banking Act to deal with the issues with the Republic Bank.
That audit will guide us in terms of what happens next in how we treat with Republic. Their systems, their protocols, their arrangements, and so on. But I think, to be honest, what happened then we don't want to see happen again. And that is really exactly the purpose of the legislation, once approved or enacted, will be to minimize the risk of that happening and certainly to give the central bank powers to address a situation were that to happen. Powers that we do not currently have. We've done what we could do, which is launch or commission an independent audit. But like I indicated, even the Code of Conduct, which was being referred to, that does not have the force of law. With these amendments, once enacted, it will have the force of law.
The 108th meeting of the Monetary Council of the ECCB also saw a report from the Technical Core Committee on Insurance, updates on legislative matters, and the framework for the deposit insurance system. Additionally, the Council reviewed the operations of the Eastern Caribbean Asset Management Corporation and the Eastern Caribbean Partial Credit Guarantee Corporation. Gina Filippi, HTS News Force.